bite. It's already a finish, huh? Remove the stick, the lollipop stick in your mouth, baby girl. Yung lollipop, yung wala nang candy. Wala nang candy, baka ma-choke ka. Yung ganyan, nakakapag-usap ako sa baby girl. Baby girl. If mommy said no, ask daddy. Diba? I miss Hero and Gabby. Shout out to my big boys, Hero and Gabby. Mommy surprise you to visit you, Don't ever do something bad or don't ever hurt other people's feeling. So, yeah, I miss you boys.